Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Finding the Provider Listing from TV24 World. If you're new to searching for trusted healthcare providers online, this guide is made to help you take the first steps with ease and confidence. So, what is the Provider Listing? It's a simple yet powerful directory from TV24 World that gathers healthcare providers, clinics, and specialists all in one place. Instead of spending hours searching multiple websites, the Provider Listing gives you direct access to the care you need in just a few clicks. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Visit the TV24 World platform and go straight to the Provider Listings section. Here you'll see an organized directory where providers are grouped by category and specialty. Step 2. Use the search tool. Type in the kind of care you're looking for, whether it's general medicine, a dental specialist, or a physical therapist, and the list will show you the most relevant providers. Step 3. Take advantage of the filters. You can refine your search by location, type of service, or even availability. This makes it simple to find a provider near you that matches your specific needs. Step 4. Review the provider profiles. Each listing includes key details such as services offered, contact information, and sometimes reviews from other patients. Reading these carefully helps you make a more informed choice. And here's a bonus tip for beginners: save your top picks. This way, you can easily compare them later and choose the one that best fits your health goals. The provider listing from TV24 World is updated regularly, ensuring that you're always looking at the most current and accurate information. By following this beginner's guide, you'll quickly learn how to navigate the provider listing and connect with trusted healthcare professionals without stress or confusion. Start today with TV24 World and discover just how simple it is to find the right provider for you.